Join us at the Food Connections Local Food System Summit for a day of workshops, networking, meaningful conversations, and delicious food. Connect with Kentucky's local food professionals and advocates to grow a more vibrant food economy.
Oh, hello neighbor, come on by. Taste the earth where roots don't lie. Fresh and local, grown with care. Kentucky's kitchen everywhere. Oh, hello neighbor, come on by. Taste the earth where
Food is so much more than just eating, and I like that I get to be a part of the memories that people create around food.
Chefs are incredibly powerful in their communities. They have huge influence. They're tastemakers, they're change makers.
Nobody else can think about it the way we can think about it. Nobody else can connect people the way we can connect people.